there, fans. Well, congratulations to the Tennessee baseball team. They avoided the sweep by beating Florida 7-5 today in a great back-and-forth game. And this puts the Volunteers in the SEC tournament. I was wrong. I thought they only took 10 teams, but evidently they take 12. I personally don't see why they don't just take the whole damn conference, but hey, I guess this makes the regular season mean something for 12 out of 14 teams. At any rate, it's been a long-ass time since the Vols have made the conference tournament, so hopefully they won't be 2 and done. Congrats to the Lady Vols softball team. Hosting a regional, they advanced to the finals of their regional tomorrow by blasting Virginia Tech 12-0. If they win this series, more than likely it'll be a rematch with the Diclahoma Sooners, or that would be the Diclahoma Soonerettes. A rematch of last year's championship series. So, you know, if you're going to beat the best, I guess you got to beat the former best. This will just be a precursor for the football season. We'll stomp their ass in softball, and then we'll hop, skip, and jump out there to Norman and whoop that Sooner ass in football in our 3rd game of the year. So I'm taking the back road home today, and for those of you who have been following my channel for some time, you might remember this house up here on the left, this white farmhouse, was where I lived when I first started making YouTube videos. Oh, good Lord, did you see that? Took the birdie out. This is where I lived when I made the infamous cow tipping video. I think the birdie lived. I didn't see him in the road back there after I smacked him. Anyway, that's kind of what we're going to do to Oklahoma. So be warned, Coney Uno. Go Vols! Make this baseball and softball stuff happen the best of your abilities, boys and girls. And we'll be right there having your back. Honky tonk.